Hello YouTube! Here's my WR100s version 4 and 2, not the dead version 4. The dead version 4 is hiding. Here's my radio check 7A. Listen to this, guys.
Flood watch information.
Guess what? Ice jams. Wobbly.
Butler, Cass, Colfax, Cumming, Dodge, Douglas, Madison, Pierce, Sarpy, Saunders, Stanton, and Washington. Flood watch for ice jams in effect through Monday evening.
What's on that way?
Flooding caused by an ice jam is possible. Where?
Works.
Counties in Nebraska, including the following counties: in east central Nebraska, Butler, Dodge, Douglas,
This is the fun one,
Sarpy,
so
Saunders, and Washington. Cumming, Madison, Pierce, Platt, and Stanton.
if it's a warning, then it will sound like this. I'll sound
When
this.
through Monday, of an ice jam could result in
That's
sudden
it,
rises of
so-
water. Ice jams can cause water level fluctuations of 1 to 3 feet over a very short time period and without much notice. Additional details: while no ice movement has been observed or reported, several consecutive days of highs ranging from the upper 40s to mid-60s suggest breakup and movement is imminent. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for
That's
possible
the
flood
one.
warnings. Those living in areas
I counted out as an EAS, by the way, since I sounded it multiple times.
The Omaha, Nebraska.
I'm joking, I'm not gonna count that as an EAS. Because that would be stupid. But it's not counted, obviously. I like to put a code for this and putting this back to service. My WR30, my precious diamond in the rough WR30 with 2 stickers. It literally has a Midland sticker, and then this. And fun fact, this is a sample 210. Really? Behind that sticker right there is a sample 210. So somebody just stuck a sticker over it. Over this, but this still works as a WR30. It's one of my favorite weather radios because this is vintage, believe it or not, and very rare. It's FM, which you don't see that in any weather radio like this these days. It has, I'll show you the features. Like I'll plug in it. I'm gonna take my DSP out of service temporarily because I want this thing in service. For the third time, at the 100th time. Wait, so it's booting up. There you go. I got to do is what I usually do. I'm at the extra 100th time. I press it. First, I need to wait for the lamp to go out. Think about the lamp. Secret menu trick. Yep, the secret time trick. Copyright to Murphy Sammy Jody, by the way.
Today is at 7:29 a.m. and the sunset is at 5:46 p.m.
That doesn't sound.
Valley National Weather Service summary for yesterday, February 15th.
Actually, the problem the antenna was acting up.
Yesterday's high temperature was
Tell you the features. First of all, the first feature, there's a secret menu to set the time that you just saw. Second feature.
Adaptation of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. 4 series that will land on stream.
FM only.
monthly total.
Has FM in it. Third feature. Stop button. Fourth feature. Lamp. Fifth feature. Enter button. Sixth feature. Arrow buttons. Seventh feature. It saves alerts. Yep. Also, it sounds like a Radio Shack. and you can alert test it. Show you how. So you see Simon High. The test is warning watch tone. It sounds like a recom on camera. Clock setting, that's the default clock setting. The main clock setting is 6-digit county codes. Multiple counties, yep. Disable watch. You can disable alerts. I don't know why it says disable alerts. You get on a new message, that's another feature. This is info, you can disable that and put it on tone. That's how you put it on tone. Or you can just listen to the info. Which let's do that. So you turn off weather alert, but we listen to info on. It will just wake you up with the message. But it still works.
Potential for ice jams through early next week or until rivers are largely ice-free. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is
Oh, we have a watch. Just kidding.
all hazards radio
This is me playing with WX100.
Nebraska. The current time is 6:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. The flood watch has been issued until 10 p.m. Monday for the following.
Look how soft right there.
Nebraska, Cass, Dodge, Douglas, Sarpy, Sanders, and Washington. Now for the
Copyright.
official National Weather Service
Copyright.
Omaha and
Don't
Council
fuck this
Bluffs
right.
area.
But anyways, that's it.
Cool